All right, welcome to part 2. Troy deposited 34% of his paycheck in the bank. If he deposited $400, how much was his paycheck? All right, so this is going to be a percent and a number. So if you Troy deposited 34%, if you deposited $400, how much was his paycheck? So 30%, 34%, deposited $400. So 34% is our percent. Percent is always over 100. Now, equaling. Okay, in this case, he deposited 400. So that 34% represents 400, because that's how much he deposited. So what was the whole check? What was the total? That's the part. Part over the total. Part of the check that he put in there was 400. What was the total amount? Cross multiply and then divide. All right, number 12. Troy deposited 34% of his, oh wait, same thing. All right, I didn't move on there twice. Keeping it moving. All right. 30% of 20% is what? Remember, we do is over of, and that is equal to percent over 100. So when we write that out, we are going to have is of what number? You guys remember the, so 30 percent is goes on top. What number? Very good. All right, next. Is over of. What percent of 50 is 10? All right. What percent of is over of? So this time we have what percent? So I'm going to put x, because we don't know the number, over 100. Of goes on the bottom. Is goes on the top. Cross multiply, divide. And do the same thing for this part. All right, number 16. Michael went for a run. If he ran 12,679 meters, how many kilometers did he run? All right, this is a conversion problem. So I'm going to put, we have kilometers first, so I'll put kilometers here, kilometers on top. Put kilometers on top. I'll put meters on the bottom. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. If you ran 12,679 meters, that goes on the bottom because we have meters on the bottom. You can also just move your decimal point over a couple times. This is how we do it the long way. Cross multiply, divide. All right, next one. Zion planted 50 pumpkin seeds out of 80 pumpkin seeds. If only 36 sprouted, how many seeds can Zion plan on yielding if he plants 890 seeds? All right. All right, so we know he planted 80 pumpkin seeds. Out of the 80 he planted, only 36 sprouted. So I'm going to start off my ratio with this part right here. So I'm going to put planted on top. And I'm going to put sprouted on the bottom. Okay, so how many did he plant? He planted 80. 36 sprouted. Of the plants, of how many plants can Zion plant? No, that's right. Plan on yielding if he plants 890. So he plants 890. So that 890 is going to go on the top because we have planted on the top. Number of plants he planted? This many. How many are going to sprout? Well, cross multiply and divide. All right. And that is the those are most of the quizzes questions. If you have any questions, you can email me, and I can try and make another video. If there's something that I didn't explain very well or needs to be reevaluated, please let me know. All right. Thank you. Have a good weekend. Oh, test Monday.